Hi, and welcome to the assembly guide for the 75 litre wheelbarrow in a box. Within the box you'll find all the parts you need, along with assembly instructions and a parts list. Look through the parts list and make sure you've got everything before you begin assembly. First thing you need to do is take the wheelbarrow and flip it over. The wheelbarrow base will have 6 holes in it. We'll use that to put on the arms. The arms come in 2 pieces. This big U-shaped piece and 2 handles like so. You'll find that the handles will actually flip over like this when we're assembling it. The nuts and bolts that we've got are broken into 4. We've got extra large, large, medium and small. To put the handles on, we'll use the biggest bolts we've got, and we've got 6 of those. So we'll start in the middle. We're putting the handle on. We've got 3 holes on each side. We'll start with the middle hole. Align that hole. You may need to pull the wheelbarrow tray to the side of the bench, and you'll pass the bolt through the tray and then through the handle. Once it's in a position, you'll find that putting pressure on it will actually hold it into place. Then you can put your nut on, like so. Throughout this process, we just want to put the nuts and bolts on loosely. At the end, we'll tighten everything up. So then we'll do the next side. Again, make sure it's pointing down. Arrow on the edge, slide it through the tray, through the handle, apply some pressure, pull it down to lock it into place. And then screw on like so. Okay, so there you can see the basic structure. We've still got 4 extra large bolts here. So what we'll do is put on the legs. The legs will fit on either side like this. So we just need to pass the bolts through again. Again, I find pushing pressure this way with the top piece will hold it in a position, or you can lightly screw it on. Repeat the process on the lower level. You find that this bolt may fall down through it. Just pop it back up and lightly screw it in position. Flip it around. And add the second V-leg piece on. And then the last one. So there we have it. So you notice it's all flimsy, that's fine until the end. What we've got here is a leg brace, so it goes inside, like so, and you align the 4 holes together. You'll next go to your smallest bolts, and you'll just slide them through the brace, and then through the legs, and tighten. Other side, making sure you do the top 2 bolts first. Repeat the process, lower bolts done. And there we have it. Your basic arms and leg assembly is now complete. Next we've got to put on the wheel. The wheel is 4 parts. You've obviously got your wheel, Get your axle goes straight through, and then you've got your axle holders. So they'll sit on like so. So then you'll lift it up. You'll notice two sets of holes here. You should just be able to leave it there, which gives you free hands to get the rest of the parts you need. So while we're doing the wheel assembly, we'll actually put the two front braces on. So these braces will sit flush against the tray like so here, but also sit under, and we'll put one bolt through there. So we'll do that first. So we'll guide the bolt through the brace and straight through the axle holder like so. Next, repeat the process on the other side. Making sure again that it's flush here. Take your last two of the larger bolts, pass them through both sides. There we go, the wheel's on, and now we just need to do the last two bolts and connect the tray to the braces. So you'll pass them under the tray, through the brace, and then connect, and then you'll also repeat on the other side. Like so. And there we have it. Your wheelbarrow in a box, all assembled, very loose. To tighten it up, what you'll need is a flat end screwdriver this side, and a shifter or an adjustable wrench, and you'll just tighten each of them up like so.